The best natural home remedies for sinusitis. Do you have a tongue and thumb? In this case, you have everything you need to clean your sinuses in less than 20 seconds. Nasal congestion usually appears as a symptom of another health problem, such as a sinus infection or a cold. These health problems are usually minor, such as allergies, nasal polyps, exposure to chemicals, environmental irritants, and hay fever. When the lining of the sinuses becomes inflamed due to irritants, bacteria, or viruses, the nasal passages swell and become blocked, making it difficult to breathe. Usually, nasal congestion goes away within a week, but with this natural remedy, you won't be able to wait that long to breathe calmly ever again. How to clean your sinuses in 20 seconds. Ready to breathe easily? Follow these simple steps. Press your tongue against the top of your mouth and place your thumb between your eyebrows. Apply pressure with your thumb for 20 seconds. Your sinuses begin to flow. How does it work? You may be wondering how a little pressure on a bone can cause sinus drainage. There is a scientific reason for this technology. According to Lisa DiStefano, DO Assistant Professor at Michigan State University School of Osteopathic Medicine, this technique causes the vomer bone to swing back and forth. The forward and backward movement releases congestion so that the sinuses can drain. If the prior technique doesn't work for you, don't rush to the pharmacy to look for a solution just yet. Try these 4 national home remedies. You may already have these ingredients at home. 1. Organic apple cider vinegar. Mix 8 ounces of warm water with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and 1 tablespoon of honey, or drink 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar 3 times a day. The sinuses should disappear in a few days. You can also mix half a cup of apple cider vinegar with half a cup of water, heat it on the stove, and inhale the steam with your mouth and eyes closed. 2. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, which contributes to the anti-inflammatory properties of this spice. Sprinkling a little turmeric at the next meal can help treat a nasal infection that blocks the sinuses. 3. Nasal saline rinse. This isn't the most convenient solution, but many people rely on a salt rinse to clean their sinuses. The mixture may consist of a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt/pickled salt with a cup of warm water. This irrigation is poured down one nostril and down the other to clear the sinuses. If you have never rinsed with salt before, ask someone for help and read and follow the instructions on the package very carefully. 4. Oregano oil. Oregano oil is not as available or as cheap as the natural remedies mentioned above, but if you get this oil, simply drink it or steam it on the stove and inhale it to effectively clean your sinuses. This oil is an effective treatment for sinus infections. Remember to like, share and subscribe, check out the links below, support our channel below. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.